Eu viver saís com quero a de Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. Oh, Dr. Ricardo de Sousa, a pharmacist of long ago in Macau, named after a street in Macau. In Macau. Oh, Dr. Ricardo de Sousa, yeah, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. Oh, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa, yeah, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. Ricardo de Sousa. Dr. Ricardo de Sousa, yeah, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. Oh, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa, yeah, 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 Dr. Ricardo de Sousa.
I kind of have this goal to at least document at least every street in Macau, and this one is one I definitely have not. It's Rua do Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. And I'll just kind of give you some context where we are. This whole area is called Toisan, and the border is all the way to that side. And you can see some schools. Here's a Fatima school, and I think there's a market in here. I'm going to try to go into that one as well, and we'll walk all the way down to the end, go into this market, and come back. And that will be kind of documenting this street. So let me put this up on the map. It's Rua do Dr. Ricardo de Sousa. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's kind of one end of the street, and I think what we're gonna do is we'll just kind of document it, and then this Toisan goes let me see, it goes, I think that goes going to the border, like Zhuhai China's over there, and then this whole area is called Toisan, all of that down that way. And we are going to go across the street, and we have this market place right here too, so I'm definitely going to capture this market and just kind of see what it looks like. We have some tall buildings. We are very, very close to Zhuhai, China. This is a very northern part of Macau. And this right here is the Mercado of this area. So I don't know if we can go in or not with the cameras, but we'll just take a look and just kind of see. So they'll have lots of meat stalls and things like that. I think people might be a little bit cautious if I film or not. Hello. So maybe we'll just walk down it a little bit and we'll just go back out. Sometimes people don't like it when you film in the markets, and I think it's because I won't speculate. And I think this one looks incredibly clean, and they've been putting a lot of money into making them look like more of a tourist attraction as well. So we just came out. We're just gonna go down to the end of the street. We'll just tap into this one as well. This one looks like it says fruits in particular. So I think that one was more meats and this one is more fruits. We'll just walk in and just kind of see. Oh. I don't know what that's about. Oh. Okay. We got noodles. I think I'll come out this way. Let me just kind of, so we could go out that way. I think I'm going to go down this way and just see what's over here. And then we're going to go back down our street again. Kind of these old tenement looking buildings. So we're going to come out this way. Got a scooter here. Then we have some old artwork. Not old, but artwork of older style of Macau. So that's our target straight down that way. I'm just gonna go across briefly. We'll just take a look and see what some of the artwork is all about. I think these are all from kids who are doing like recycling things. This is a kind of recycle one. Okay. Yeah, this part of Macau is yeah, very close to the border. It definitely has more of a border feel. Like there's a lot less Portuguese types of things and more what's up, more so there's a whole wall. I think those tall buildings are part of Sousa, and we're gonna go back across the street. I'm gonna continue on in a second here. Use the bathroom. So now we're back at our target street. We're gonna go across and just kind of document and see what else is around here. This is kind of interesting. So I don't know what this whole area is. I don't know. Maybe hair salon and things like that. Restaurant maybe. Wi-Fi. Okay. So yeah, that's a restaurant right there. Let's see what else we got around in here. I think that's like a Tao Bao maybe. Oh, a school maybe. I'm not sure. This is a school for sure. English language courses. Mart, that one's kind of a simple mart. I'm just gonna walk into this a little bit and just see. Okay. Oh. So that's our Mercado. Something kind of interesting to the left there, but I don't know what it is. It's definitely a restaurant. Let me see. Parking garage. Okay. So we're gonna come out. And that's basically this street right here. Ricardo de Sousa. And it's kind of near this Sousa, and then it's basically that market is one of the places right there.